Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust text alignment in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. This is my PDF element. I will adjust this text alignment. Click on this edit option and select here edit text option download and select text. Now click on this text box and select your text you want to sense alignment and click on this properties option, this right sidebar, and there are many kinds of alignment. This left alignment and this center alignment and this right alignment and this is justify alignment and make it right alignment. This text also make this text box text right aligned, and see this in this way you can align right align, left align, and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.